Hey guys, welcome back to Click, and today we're doing a quick review and unboxing of the Spigen rugged armor for the LG V30 or the LG V30 Plus. Now for those of you who've been watching on the channel, you know that we have a V30 Plus in-house, so obviously we needed some cases for it, and this was the first one to show up. So shout out to Spigen. No, they didn't give it to us. We ordered it, we paid for it, came from Amazon. But Spigen is a great company, makes a great case. So let's get through this and see what's what. So we got Spigen branding, we've got a picture of the LG V30 in the front. This is the black color. I don't think there is any other colors, but you know, do your research before you buy. On the back, the green campaign, usual Spigen branding, and this says here it is the model number as well as the LG V30 Spigen rugged armor, black. I'm trying to get that in here, see if it'll, there we go. Okay, so let's get inside, get it on the phone and see what's what. Idiot-proof packaging. Thank you again, Spigen. There we go. Set this to the side. Alright. And there it is, guys. So these are one of my go-to cases. Great for everyday use. You know, they last quite a while. They look good after some rough day-to-day usage. And they're cheap. 12 bucks. Can't go wrong. So my V30 is here. Let's drop this in. I usually go from left to right if you guys are wondering. Easiest way for me to get it in. And just snap it in place. There we go. So let's have a quick walkthrough and see what's what. Okay, so there we have on the left side, we've got your volume rocker. On the bottom, we've got a spot for your mic, your charging port as your speaker. And on this side, there is nothing. And on the very top, we've got a nice big opening for your headphones and another mic. And on the back, we have got a nice opening for your fingerprint sensor as well as your power button. Your flash and your cameras are open as well. Now you can see the carbon finish top and bottom, so it looks really nice there. Okay, and then on the top you have a nice lay-on table. Okay, you've got a lip on both top and bottom, and it helps with the curve. Okay, so your glass is not exposed if it falls face down. Now there's other cases that have more protection, but this does give you enough for day-to-day use. Okay, once on the phone, it's pretty solid, doesn't move around. The buttons have great tactility. Okay, all in all, I think it's a great case. Spigen does a great job with this, especially considering the price. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Otherwise, this is Click approved. It's definitely a go. Pick one up if you have an LG V30 or a V30 Plus. Just so you know, they do fit both phones without any issues. Just pick up an LG V30 case for your V30 Plus if that's what you have. Alright guys, otherwise, thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.